Friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci here. I'm back with another video. As always, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time coming across my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release new videos Monday through Friday. And I want you to stay all the way to the end of this video. It's going to be a fast video because I want to get straight to the point. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome back to the family. Welcome to the gang. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm drop shipping with 1 through 7 day delivery in 2019 going into 2020. The website that I'm going to show you this through is dropshiphunter.com. It'll be the first link in the description. It'll also be pinned below in the comment section. Check that out. Use code Mr. Da Vinci when you sign up. Get 20% off your first month. So here we have a selfie booster handle grip. We have a nice, let me move this since I know I'm able to move this now. This is awesome. So yeah, we have a nice ready to go description for our product listing. We have a link to our Aliexpress supplier right over here. Honey. We have a link to our Aliexpress supplier right here. We have ready to go entries for our Facebook ads or Instagram ads, however you prefer. Interest, Facebook access, mobile, smartphones and tablets, digital trends, iPhone accessory, mobile phone accessories. Then we have a nice ready to go viral video ad for our Facebook and Instagram feed. And wherever you do your placements, that's just me. I personally use Facebook and Instagram feed, but to each his own. Whatever's working for you, that's what you gotta find out. And then we have our ready ad text, Shutter Grip 2019, most gentle design. Turn your phone into a camera, enjoy the photos, 50% off, post your bit.ly link, get yours here, post your bit.ly link. So now I'm going to show you something. It's not exactly that, but there's something close to this. So what you want to do is, I spelled iPhone wrong. You want to come over here to Aliexpress. Let me fix that. So we're just going to type in iPhone cases. Gonna let that load up here. Bear with me here. As you see, I got a bunch of tabs open, so stick with me to the end. All right, so here we are. We're on iPhone cases. Next thing we want to do, we want to go to ship from, and we click on United States right here. Now what this is going to do is this is going to show us all the iPhone cases that ships from the United States, but we're going to take this up another level by going from United States. Then we're going to click on orders. So this will show us all the iPhone cases that deliver from the United States with the most orders, as well as comes along with e-packet shipping. And as you know, the biggest problem that we have as drop shippers is delivering the products to our customers. Normally it takes anywhere from 12 to 20 days. This is a method that I had in my bag for a while. This is a video I've been wanting to record and make for y'all. So I wanted to release it today. I want to record it today to help you figure out a way to get faster shipping times. I'm getting 1 through 7 day shipping through certain products. So I wanted to share this method with you to help you out in Q4 of 2019, as you can use this method as we head into 2020. This is all the training that I have for you today. Check out all the other content popping up on the screen. If you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this, and it also helps this video get seen across the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you greatly. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below in the comment section. I respond to any and all comments that I get. Click on my face. It should be popping up on the screen, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Again, the link to Dropship Hunter, it is the first link in the description. It's also pinned below in the comment section. Use code Mr. Da Vinci 20. Get 20% off your first month to over 1,105 winning products ready to go that's not saturated in the market. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.